In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in Elementor on WordPress. Whether you're setting up a new site or just looking to refresh your existing one, customizing the footer can really enhance the overall look and functionality of your website. So, let's go through the steps together, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a footer that fits seamlessly with the rest of your design. To get started, the first thing you want to do is navigate over to plugins in your WordPress dashboard. From there, select Add New. You're going to search for a plugin called Elementor Header, Footer, and Blocks. This plugin is an essential tool for customizing headers and footers, giving you more control over how these elements look and function on your site. Once you've found the correct plugin, go ahead and click Install, wait for the process to complete, and then activate it. This will add new functionalities that will aid us in editing the footer. Next, let's move on to the next step. Head to the Appearance menu on the left-hand side of the WordPress dashboard and select Header Footer Builder. Once there, you'll find an option to Add New. Go ahead and click on that. A form will open up, and in this form, you'll be asked to choose the type. In our case, we'll select Footer. This will ensure that we're editing the footer and not any other section of the page. You can also give your footer a name, something that'll help you identify it easily later on. Once you've named it, click on Create Template. This will bring us to an entirely new interface where the magic really happens. Now we're in the design phase. Click on Edit with Elementor. You're now in Elementor's design interface, where you have complete control over your footer's look and feel. You can add text, images, social media icons, and whatever else fits your needs. Personally, I recommend considering the overall theme of your website to maintain consistency and visual harmony. After you've completed designing your footer and are satisfied with how it looks, it's time to set your display rules. Before publishing your changes, decide where you'd like this footer to appear. For a universal application, choose the entire site option. This option makes sure that your custom footer is applied across all pages, providing a cohesive user experience. Once that's set, go ahead and click Publish. And there you have it. You've successfully edited and customized your footer using Elementor on WordPress. With these steps, you can keep your website both functional and stylish. Remember, the footer is often the last thing visitors see, so make it count. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials.